What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious and healthy broccoli soup which is inspired by Chef Gordon Ramsay. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have boiled our broccoli. Now it's time to blend this by adding some broccoli water and some salt. Gordon Ramsay style broccoli soup is ready. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.